Hello and welcome back to our newest video. With you as always, me, Virus, and this time I'm saying hi from Tallin, from Bada Bling studio. Next to me we have the studio owner, Sander. Can you tell me what we have here? Of course we have Tesla, but what we're doing with it?
So with this Tesla we're doing a full color change. Okay. This time not in vinyl as usual, but color infused PPF from GSWF, and I'm really looking forward to it.
It is first time for you wrapping entire car in colored PPF?
In colored PPF, yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
So okay, for me it's gonna be first time as well wrapping entire car in colored PPF. So we're gonna have a lot of fun. But with the Tesla, as you know, guys, it's super easy car, straightforward. We just remove front badge. Now I'm taking off this blinker, and pretty much car is ready to wrap, yeah? Almost.
Yeah, we will be re-prepping every panel straight before we apply the film, but otherwise, yeah, I think 90%.
Okay.
Done.
Cool. As well, in the future, we'll come back to the studio to make proper video about this place, because Sander just moved here a couple months ago, and it's still everything is in the process, yeah? Still missing lighting and all other stuff. Now we need to continue working on this Tesla. Why do you need such a big piece of plexiglass or acrylic board?
We use it as a weeding wall. We put the pre-cut kits or just large pieces of material onto the glass wall, and then we use it instead of a table.
Okay, instead of table, like to save the space, yeah?
Yeah, it's much more convenient.
Okay, nice.
And it doesn't gather any dust.
Nice, that's cool. So guys, if you don't have much space, you can have something like this. In what kind of color we're gonna wrap this Tesla? Yeah, it will be super bright sky blue. I can't wait to see this final result. It will be my first time wrapping Tesla in such a bright color. Pretty much every second Tesla looks like this. Boring, dark gray, dark silver color. But in a couple days, this car will be blue. So guys, car is prepared, and now is the time to lay first panel. We'll start with the bonnet. It's already cut it here on the board. We have a bonnet, fenders, and car is ready. Let's lay the film. after a few long hours, more than half a car is already wrapped. So let's walk around and check how it looks. For today we're still planning to wrap doors on this side and other side. What do you think about the product?
Very shiny.
Very shiny. And how is it to work with it?
It's quite nice to get used to, actually.
Okay.
Yeah, it works well. Once you get the hang of it, it's very predictable.
On this side we're missing only front door. And on this side, door and quarterback. So day is almost over and more than 50% of this Tesla Model 3 is wrapped. Yeah, doors, we still need to do doors, bumper, what else? But we managed to do boot in one piece. It was a tough part to do, but it's done. It's sad, but we need to leave and tomorrow we're not gonna be here. I hope Sander will send us pictures or video of final result. For now, thank you for watching. With you was me, Virus. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and I will see you next time.